I am sharing a cake I am making, and this won't be a tutorial because I have many tutorials on how to use these molds. You know I love these molds. These are from Marvelous Molds, and I will post the link to them in the comment section. Why am I using them? Because I love them. It's Christmas and my client wanted a nice cozy cake. So here we go. For this one, I am using satinized fondant, but I do have a recipe on how to make fondant on my channel. So if you want one, go check it out. I have one with marshmallows and another one with white chocolate fondant. The color is a very nice navy blue. And for this one, I use Chef Master's colors. I combine royal blue with some black, and I do have a reel, and in that reel I show how to make this color. I decided to use two more molds for this one, and I did so because it was a taller cake and I needed to cover the space, plus I wanted to finish it nicely. So I use this mold with the bubbles, and like always I tell you, you need to press well, clean your edges, and I am using corn syrup with some water to glue these pieces to the cake. Like I already mentioned, I have tutorials in my channel on how to work with these molds. So if you want a more detailed tutorial about them, you can just go and check them. I also will be adding a tutorial on how to finish these molds on the back of the cake because sometimes they don't exactly meet. So if you want to finish them really nicely, I have tricks on how I do that. So I will be adding a tutorial on that one on the member section. I am using a rolling pin here to clean the edges. You can use your fingers. This will be very personal. If your fondant is a little bit sticky, you can add a little bit of cornstarch, but as you can see, I don't really use it. Do make sure that the pattern is printed really well in your mold. I decided to paint this section in gold. I do have a tutorial on how to work with highlighters. I added a piece of white fondant on the top, smooth it out, and then I added some sugar on top. Then I added a chocolate Christmas ornament, a poinsettia, and some snowflakes. And here is the finished cake. I hope you're having a happy holiday. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, visit me on Facebook, Instagram, and until next time, ta-ta!